Hello teacher, today we are going to make an orange graft. First of all, we have the next materials. Scion of orange HUANDO, root stock of Rio de Oro, shears, a sharp knife, plastic to cover, and paraffin. Important, remember to disinfect the materials. Thank you.
Then we cut off the excess limbs from to stem. Then either we remove leaves from the scion, avoid water loss.
To continue, we select a similar thickness. Next, we make a gently cut in V shape on the scion.
To continue, we locate the part of the bolt have the similar thickness. So then we proceed to cut. To continue, we cut the root shock in the middle, like this. Next, we gently place the graft on the root shock with the help of the knife. We put the cambium in contact and secure it with a paraffin. Little effort. At last, we protect the graft. We need a little plastic to recover it. This is to avoid water loss. And finish, we have an orange graft. Thank you.